Social media lead generation. This video will share why you should be where your audience is hanging out. The first important point is that you don't need to go on every social media platform out there. When entrepreneurs and businesses go online, they feel like they need a YouTube account, a Pinterest account, an Instagram account, a Twitter account, a Google Plus account, a Facebook page, a LinkedIn profile, and so much more. In actual fact, you don't need all of it. What's important to note is that you should be where your audience is at. And what do I mean by being where your audience is at? Taking Snapchat as an example. If your product is targeted to seniors, then you wouldn't hang out in Snapchat. You wouldn't post your content on Snapchat because statistics show Snapchat users are between 13 and 34 years of age, and 7 out of 10 are millennials. So does this really make sense to post your content about seniors and retirement on Snapchat? Well, it doesn't make sense. So you would focus on platforms where seniors and retirees are on most. It's a very common mistake that startups make, and they get overwhelmed, which then stops them from moving forward in their business because they feel like they have to implement every single social media platform into their marketing. The bottom line is you should focus on one or two platforms rather than spreading your focus too thin. The most successful entrepreneurs and business owners know to focus on just a few. For example, Gary Vaynerchuk focuses a lot around video content. So what he does is he uses Snapchat and he uses YouTube and Facebook video to post his content because that's where his audience is at. And that's another thing. If video doesn't feel natural to you, then you wouldn't record and publish videos. However, if you like writing, then perhaps blogging in an article form is more suited to you. So again, focus on one or two platforms rather than spreading your focus too thin, and be where your audience is at.